Child labor remains a critical issue in the Nigerian society, depriving millions of children of their childhood, education, and well being. Statistics reveal that globally, over 218 million children aged 5 to 17 are engaged in child labor. In Enugu State, southeast Nigeria, where child labor has recently made headlines, the wife of the state governor Nkechinyere Mbah is leading a roadwork to mark the 2024 World Day Against Child Labor. The roadwork, spanning some kilometers, started at Okpara Square in Independence Layout and proceeded through Presidential Road, Owi Road, Otiba Junction, Bisala Road, and back to Okpara Square. The exercise aims to raise public awareness and mobilize the community against this pervasive issue.
Of course, you know that child abuse has become a very big problem for the Enugu state government because we are always in the news for wrong reasons. So we say that since the state government has already paid for children education, at least at that basic level, that no child should be left behind.
Mrs. Mbah's message was clear. With the current administration's focus on education, no child should be engaged in labor.
So we are here with the beautiful women of Enugu State to stop child labor. We don't have any tolerance for that. The Enugu State government, my husband, my beloved husband, Peter Mbah, sending you message that we should make sure, as we are here in this work today, we should carry this message, spread it out. It's not just about the work. It shouldn't end here.
This year's theme, Let's Act on Our Commitments, End Child Labor, comes just a week after the Nigerian Senate demonstrated its dedication to the cause by passing for second reading a bill to amend the Compulsory Free Universal Basic Education Act. The proposed amendment seeks to increase the penalty for parents who deny their children the right to education from 2,500 naira to 250,000 naira. Kelechi Ekeledo, AIT News, Enugu.